Parking from the left hand side. So you do a half observation to your left, give the signal to your left, right. Select the gear, reverse gear with the soft clutch control, full observation. So once you go to the back, you wait until you can see the first pole in the small window on your left hand side. So once the first pole disappears there, you check the opposite blind spot and you turn and lock your wheel to your left. Alright, you keep it in the lock position. Once you go to the back, you wait until you can see all three poles in your right side mirror. So once you spot all three poles in your right side mirror, you're going to straighten up from there. Alright, so once we go to the back, we wait until we can see the first exact pole disappear in your left hand side mirror. So once the first pole has disappeared in your left side mirror, you turn and lock your wheel to your right. So once you go around, you're just going to make sure you're going to see the first pole in front of you, the middle pole, in the center of your vehicle. Alright, so once you spot the first one in the center of your vehicle, we straighten up. Alright, so once your vehicle is straight, do a complete stop. Alright, so handbrake up, gear lever neutral at all times. Okay guys, so that's our complete parallel parking from your left hand side.